Kublai phi baro ki viewers sai sen pat hagani ga video nganura biang phi hakabidi bat ki khobor like kam te hagani ga video nganura phi hakabidi bat ki candidates ki bala pass haki exams jong ki post ba pher kata kabdi jong ka government of Meghalaya office of the district Ayus society is Kasihil Shillong te congratulations ya ki candidates baro ki balapas ba ha kini ki post ba pher ki ba dang shudep ya kini ki examination kepada hapo ka Ayus society te sai sen pan khamtame ya ki parlo ki bang thmai ha ka video ba channel jonga subha bapini share ba subscribe na ka banta ki employment news ki bang thmai tingin page menta li ki kato kane ki post ki ba Nagaliang jong ka office jong ka district ayu society kadang pala yegini ki post ba pher ha ka ba kala list ru ya ki candidates ki bala pass ba ha ka te ka examination te ngan pulai shoi phi ya ka ni ka notice the office of the district ayu society hereby inform that the list of selected candidates to various posts advertised by number 1673 DT 1302-2024 and document verification conducted on the 6th September 2024 have been uploaded in the government website, that is meghalgv.in, for necessary information. The shortlisted list of the posts advertised by MIPR number 1673 date 1302-2024 which is do not require any written examination is also uploaded in the government website. In the interest of the public, the shortlisted candidates are the report to the office to the district medical and health officer come member secretary, district Ayush society is Kasil district for document verification on the 14th January 2025 at 10 a.m. Te congratulations ni ki candidates ki bala pass pa Henry pidon kam pan banle na kabanta ka document verification kata ka ban sapalong ha ka khat sauterik u January arjar absan ha nadu kapor shipho bajiaman step terter te kan ma bha ki candidates ki bala pass ba gine ki post ba pher te subha ban check no ya ki kerteng gi jongphi te banchek ya ki kerteng ki jong phi phila ban le lungba ka government website jong ka meghealth.gv.in bat phi sala banchek nam ta ki post ki jong phi ba pher bat ru nakabanta ban le ya ka document verification subha ban kan mau bha ya ka tarik kata ka bari khat sau tarik u January arjar arsan nadu ka por shi phob jemen step phi ban le ha ka office jong ka district Ayush society is Kasihil district. The list of the successful candidates who appear in the written examination conducted by the society to various posts advertised have been uploaded in the government. For necessary information, they are to come to document verification as per date given against each post. The sumba ban check ba ya ki date of document verification namar ba kan sedang lu khat sau tarik January terter the sumba ban check yol ese kan mendai khat sau kan la bani khat san kan du terter te phila ban check ya ki tarik bat ki sngi ki ba phia ban le na ban ka document verification te hangne phinyu i nam ta ka post jong ka district program manager phinyu yang te ki kerteng borok khoj te phi subha ban check ya ki ni ki list lane ki kerteng ki jong phi khamtam e ki candidates ki bala pass te check no hangne te ngan page menta na kumta ka post khamtam e ki badei jong ka post multi-purpose worker MPW hani gidon do khat arngut te subha ban check igni kini gidi ki selected candidate te nakabanta ba phin le ya ka document verification subha ban pule igni ka notification mo nganum pule re baro khoi namar kan sa simport nangta shishu namta ka post dispenser hangni gidon khat wingun te subha ban pule ya ganeru nakabanta ki document verification nangta masseur gidon riungut nangta ka post panchakarma technician female kidon nyongun nakabanta ka post panchakarma technician male kidon way nangta nakabanta ka post yoga instructor kidon laingut Namta kapus Ayurvedic pharmacist idon iway. Namta kapus data entry operator kidon laingut hangne. Nagamta kapus registration clerk kidon hangne away lai sao san riu nyungut. Nagamta kapus storekeeper hangne kidon way lai sao san riu nyungut. Namta kapus dresser way lai sao san ngut. Namta kapus ward boy way lai sao san riu nyu prak dai shipo kadwe armut. Namta kapus ward girl hangtu kidon hadu kibun ngut hi hangne. And penyu ipi way lai sao san riu nyu prak dai shipo kadwe kalai ka sao ka san kan ru kan nyu ngut mo kidon. Namta kapus sweeper ru kidon way lai sao san riu nyu prak dai shipo kadwe kalai ngut. Namta kapus cook te somba ban check pha la gijong mo nakamta ka document verification ru somba ban page ya kini ki notification nangta phisa tip ka tarik ka bakano nani ubnai bakano phi ha ban le nakamta ka document verification te tangkamta he hak ba de kani ka khubor ka bam ta ka janme nga sngo bha ban ai khublei sai sin pat ya ki successful candidate somba ban trei hok ya ka kam gijong phi khna ma phinne hadu ba phin yo byang da ki kam la ne phindang thep yang de ki wiki kam titang kata hi sai sin pat lada phidang de ki bat mai ha ka video bat channel jonga kam tam e ki candidates ki bala long successful please share like and subscribe na ko bentai ki wi per de ki information la ne ki employment news khuble issue bon